Tip number 3, check the areas before you go. Before you leave your house, check the area. Some of you might be coming from Connecticut to the city, or somebody going from Brooklyn to the Bronx, which a lot of people from Brooklyn don't like to go to the Bronx. All right, I'm gonna leave that alone. I don't want nobody to get upset with me. But just saying, if you are going to the Bronx, okay, you might not know the area, okay? So check it before you go. And we just don't mean like the map, right? I mean, use tools. There are actual tools that you can use that can help you. So New York City has a couple of tools. I've talked about this tool, which I'm not sure if people take advantage of it, but it's called Sweep NYC. So you can actually access it if you go to the website sweepnyc.nyc.gov. And if you put in the address of that location, it will let you know about street cleaning, right? They'll tell you exactly the street cleaning. If you're going to the event early, you're not really sure if you could park there or not, it'll tell you what the street cleaning days are. They'll let you know what parking is available. So that kind of help you out, right? If you're looking to try to find free parking near the area, near the location or near the event. Also, NYC 311. You can go to the portal, which is portal, well, the website, which is called portal.311.nyc.gov. And that can also help you with alternate. They can let you know if alternate side parking is suspended, right? So that's something that you can use as well. Um, and then also SpotAngels, like that's another website. So you can go to spotangels.com and they'll let you know about the parking rules. There's if there's free spots and if the risk of getting tickets, right? So those are 3 tools that you can actually use to help you. So use the tools, check out what check out so you can understand what you're walking into before you leave. That'll help you deal with the stress, real, kind of make your anxiety go down just a little bit, right? So a lot of people just pull up and hope for the best. And I've done that plenty of times and I find myself circling around for parking and can't find parking. And this is how you end up circling for 30 minutes, like I just said. Or have a backup plan, which, sometimes it sounds good in theory to have a backup plan, but if you're a person that's into having backup plans, then have a backup plan, right? Never go nowhere with just one plan. That's how you get stressed. So if you know that, okay, maybe I'm not going to be able to find parking close to the event, so my backup plan is probably seeing if I can find parking in the garage that's near that location, right? And know the rules. Don't just park and hope for the best. I know sometimes we do that. We're in a rush. The event is happening. Maybe our favorite artist is on the stage, and we're like, "Oh my gosh, you got to get there!" And you just kind of park your car, right? You don't want to miss it because you spent some money for your tickets. I get it, but you know, don't let a ticket or your car missing when you come out of the event ruin your evening. So just make sure you take 5 minutes or 2 minutes or something along the lines of that and use ChatGPT. Take a picture of it with ChatGPT. It'll let you know ChatGPT is the bomb. So you can use that too. It'll help you understand the parking rules, right?